Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki otelo romo mar 13 matwak ewi dongruok e pare mantiere kare ne buore Nairobi. Jatend migawo mar omenda John Badi oyango ni chenro mar ng'iewo piny owacho kitiyo gi yore mbui kata e procurement obiro neno ni otiyo maber e pacho ka. Gino mowacho ni biro dino fuok ma omenda lal godo e piny owacho. Okwedo okang' manokaw gi jood bura mar kwedo chenro no, kowacho ni od bura onge kod teko mar winyo bad sirkal, kowacho ni jood bura makwedo wachno gin mago mosebedo katiyo gi yo manyachon mar yudo rak e piny owacho.
I have issued circulars on zero-based budgeting. I have issued circulars on treasury single account. When I issue circular on e-procurement, people have a problem with it. And all these are circulars from the National Treasury. It's because people have interest in procurement. That is the truth. They still want to go back to manual and manipulate procurement, where they pluck papers from the tender documents. And that is what we are not going to allow.
For the comfort of the chair of the Council of Governors, it is not just county governments that are experiencing those challenges. Even national government agencies are experiencing the same challenges, including my office. However, we must resolve those challenges and implement e-procurement, because we will not revert to the manual procurement system whatsoever.